Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid with instant payouts on Stripe. So, first, you may want to head over to stripe.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. And before we proceed, it is important to know that the instant payout feature is not available for everyone. So first, let us know who is eligible for instant payouts. So as we can see here, instant payouts is available to Stripe users and Connect platforms. So you're going to need to have Connect on Stripe, and the countries included for instant payouts are Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Norway, Singapore, United Kingdom, and US. It's also available in all EU countries, including this, as you can see on your screen. But there's a note here that says no Stripe users aren't immediately eligible for instant payouts. So if you're eligible, just follow these steps to get paid with instant payouts. Just head back to your dashboard and start searching for instant payout, then click on Settings, next Connect, and Payouts. And from the Payouts page, click on Payout Schedules and make sure that you toggle Allow accounts to manage their payout schedule on. Make sure that you check the box. Then once done, just head over and click on Save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!